Former MP Kabando questions delivery of Ruto's 2022 campaign pledges. Former Mukurwe Member of Parliament Kabando wa Kabando has issued a strongly worded critique of President William Ruto's administration, accusing it of failing to deliver on key campaign promises and mismanaging public trust. Kabando shared the remarks on X, where he questioned the government economic agenda, development record, and leadership approach. In the post published over the weekend, Kabando dismissed the nation that President Ruto challenges in office stem from external factors, instead arguing that unfulfilled pledges since 2022 reflect deeper governance problems. EPK Online Updates News. Subscribe for more information.